Alright, language explorers, let's look at this Thursday's Thursday adverb. So entirely, in the total amount, entirely, everything, everything, yeah. I have been to entirely all the countries in Europe. Have you read the book entirely? Entirely? Have you read it all? Have you been there entirely? Do you know the language? Do you know the Spanish language entirely? Wow. Have you read it? Have you read it in its entirety? Have you read all the pages? Yeah. I have entirely finished everything. I have entirely finished everything. Yeah. Everything. Yeah. Very good. You think it'll be an entirely new field of science? Well, how many entirely new subjects are there? Wow. Yeah. So, I know an entirely new place to go to. Yeah. Very good. She will find an entirely new book for us to read. He will make an entirely new pile of books to read. Yeah. They will find an entirely new person to follow. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. It might be an entirely new species of dinosaur. It's possible. How cool is that? Yeah. So, we went to an entirely different world, somewhere completely different, entirely. Yeah, that is an entirely different country. Yeah, very good. He's building an entirely new system. This might be an entirely new way to live a life. Yes, entirely, something completely different and new. How cool is that? Soon, they will figure out an entirely new technique. An entirely new technique, yeah. Yeah, I think this could be an entirely new playlist idea. Yeah, this might be an entirely new way to teach. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it's possible. Something new in a total amount. Entirely new, entirely old. The entire pile. Entirely everyone. Yeah, entire language. Do you know the Spanish language entirely? Do you know it entirely? An entirely new place to go to, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use entirely in a sentence? Yeah, comment below and like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. You can also find me on Udemy when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.